Today, we take you inside a luxury cosmetics factory to show how Harion cream is made through a precise, high-end production process.
Harion, luxury, perfected. Each movement forms part of a larger natural rhythm. The land guides their quiet and steady flow. Morning light reveals the full scale of natural motion. Every path merges into one continuous natural journey. The open land carries them toward the next stage of the system. Movement shifts from open land into controlled transport flow. The system aligns transport with precision and order. Every step is guided with controlled stability. The transition continues without interruption. Coordination ensures perfect balance across the system. The system reaches complete loading readiness. The system advances into global industrial transport flow. Every kilometer follows precise logistical movement. Motion stabilizes into controlled industrial velocity. The journey connects rural origin to global production systems. The destination of transformation comes into view. Movement transitions from transport into industrial processing flow. The transport phase enters controlled industrial territory. Precision positioning defines the transition point. The system prepares for controlled release. Movement continues under strict industrial control. The process advances into structured evaluation. The system ensures complete quality assurance flow. Technology ensures seamless verification at scale. The system prepares for material transformation flow. The process begins with controlled material flow. Separation begins with mechanical precision. Human accuracy enhances automated efficiency. The system completes precise material separation. The process begins with controlled thermal preparation. Heat transforms solid material into liquid form. Purity is achieved through continuous filtration. The transformation reaches stable liquid form. The liquid moves into controlled chemical processing. Stability is introduced through controlled formulation. Motion ensures complete integration of components. The system delivers a refined and stable output. The system prepares for texture transformation. Motion converts liquid into refined cream structure.
Precision refines the final consistency.
The transformation reaches its final, refined state.
The final stage begins with branded precision.
Precision ensures consistency in every unit.
Every product is secured with perfection.
Identity is defined through premium branding.
Every detail is verified before release.
The system completes its journey into luxury products.